Hey landscapers, have you ever heard anyone say cash flow is king, revenue is vanity, and profit is sanity? Or if it's not repeatable, it's not scalable? These are phrases that business owners use all the time. But have you ever stopped to ask why people say these things? Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you where these phrases came from. And most importantly, we're going to talk about how specializing your landscape services can drastically increase both your business value and your personal income. So let's get to it. At first glance, specializing doesn't seem like that big of a deal. It might even seem like a hindrance. But the problem is, when you try to do too much, you spread yourself too thin, and it's hard to make anybody happy. But when you specialize and narrow in on the jobs that are the most profitable for you, the most systemizable, and ones that you actually enjoy, everything changes. So why does your income and your business value skyrocket when you specialize? We're going to talk about 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, you can charge higher prices. People pay a premium for expert services. If you're the go-to for luxury backyard transformations or custom water features, whatever it is, you get yourself out of the race to the bottom pricing war. Reason number 2, when you increase your efficiency, you boost your profit margins. Doing the same types of jobs over and over and over again, ones that you've been able to systemize, it lets you get faster and more efficient. Your crews get faster, you're no longer reinventing the wheel, and this means lower labor costs and fewer mistakes that you have to go back and fix later. All in all, it's less stress overall for you and higher profits. Reason number 3, you can build repeatable systems that can be used over and over again on every single job by specializing. This means you can finally scale. Systems are what turn a hands-on side hustle into a full-time, legitimate, scalable business. And systems are only possible when you narrow your focus. This all sounds great, right? So how come more people don't do it? It's because most business owners don't actually know which jobs are their most profitable jobs. So let's fix that. Here are 2 simple steps to identify your most profitable job. First, I want you to think about the last 12 months. Which jobs went the smoothest? Then think about which clients were the biggest joy to work with. These are the jobs that probably align best with your strengths and your passions. Now that you've narrowed down some jobs to focus on, let's run the actual numbers on those jobs. This is where most landscapers fall short, but not you. It's time to find out, how much money did you actually get to pocket on these jobs? Now don't worry, I've made this easy for you. I've created a calculator specifically for landscapers. I've created a calculator that will show you your real profit after labor, overhead, and material costs are factored out. It's the same tool that I use to grow my business to a 7-figure per year hands-free landscaping company. I've packaged it up for you. All you have to do is send me an email, which you could find below in the notes, and just say calculator, and I'll send it right over. When you plug in your numbers, you're going to instantly see which jobs are the most profitable, which ones drain your time and energy, and which ones you should focus on moving forward. Once you have that clarity, you can double down on those types of jobs. They're the ones that put the most money in your pocket and cause you the least amount of stress. So let's recap. Here's what you get when you specialize your service. Your income doubles or even triples without taking on more work. Your team starts running like a machine because they know exactly what to do, and it's repeatable. You start to enjoy your business again. And most importantly, you're creating a business that works for you and builds you real wealth. This is how you go from being overworked and underpaid to owning a business that can run and grow without you. This is how you build real wealth and freedom. It's the jump from self-employed to business owner. So if you're ready to specialize, simplify, and scale, shoot that email over and I'll send you my calculator. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. This is a channel where I share everything I know about building a landscape company.